Most people think the only way to watch good movies and TV shows today is by stacking subscription after subscription. Netflix, Prime, and Disney add up fast. But that is actually not true anymore. There are now completely free streaming apps that legally offer thousands of movies, TV shows, and even live channels. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I am showing you 5 underrated free streaming apps you can install right now to start watching immediately. Let us jump right in and get your entertainment setup fixed. Step 1 is to deploy Momento on your streaming device. Momento positions itself as a free forever streaming platform. There's no subscription tier hiding behind it, no payment details required, and no free trial trick. You simply install the app and start watching immediately. This platform leans heavily into global cinema, indie films, and under-the-radar titles that rarely show up on major streaming services. It is less like browsing mainstream options and more like digging through a curated movie archive full of rare discoveries. Step 2 is to install Fawesome for massive volume and variety. Fawesome is the kind of app you open when you do not have a specific title in mind and just want to browse. The homepage hits you with rows and rows of clear categories including action, crime, horror, thriller, comedy, and sci-fi. Fawesome acts like a giant free movie vault packed with cult classics and indie titles. Playback is simple and fast. You just click a title and hit play. The service stays free through TV-style ad breaks, meaning there are no pop-ups or sketchy interruptions. Step 3 is to access Shout TV to enjoy classic entertainment. This platform comes directly from Shout Factory, a studio known for restoring classic TV shows and cult films. Instead of focusing on brand new releases, Shout TV leans heavily into pure nostalgia. You will find programming built around beloved cult favorites and classic comedies. Some of these even stream as 24-hour live channels. That means you can flip between channels just like old school cable TV until you land on whatever is currently playing. Step 4 is to set up Local Now to replace your local broadcast channels. Instead of focusing only on movies or shows, Local Now delivers custom content based entirely on where you live. When you open the application, it automatically pulls in information tied directly to your physical location. You get instant access to local weather forecasts, traffic updates, news segments, sports highlights, and lifestyle programming. This acts as a perfect modern replacement for local broadcast channels that most cord cutters lose after canceling cable. Step 5 is to launch Xumo Play for a complete traditional cable TV experience. Xumo Play offers hundreds of live channels along with a massive on-demand library completely free. You will find news networks, sports talk channels, comedy stations, crime shows, documentaries, and even niche options like retro game shows. The interface works almost exactly like a digital cable guide grid. You scroll through the channels, pick something interesting, and you can start watching your favorite shows instantly. It perfectly combines live channel surfing and on-demand streaming without a monthly bill. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. Free streaming applications and live video feeds can experience heavy buffering and sudden network blocks caused by your internet service provider. A premium VPN keeps your online streaming fully anonymous and bypasses strict provider throttling effortlessly. The official NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. Click that special link to secure your connection and run all your applications smoothly today. Stop wasting money on expensive monthly cable bills when you can stream thousands of channels for free. Drop a like on this video if this streaming guide helped you out. Leave a comment below letting us know which free app is your favorite. Smash that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tech updates. Thank you for watching TechVibes, and I will see you in the next video.